Welcome to Youbet. Our platform automatically tracks developers' contribution on GitHub and rewards them appropriately. Essentially, it's a code-to-earn platform that also emphasizes educational values. We currently only support using GitHub to log in, because most of data on our platform comes from GitHub. However, if it's your first time to log in, you'll need to link your wallet so that we can issue rewards to you on the smart contract. Since we've already done that, this step can be skipped. And so after you log in, you will see the dashboard page. We can see some recommended projects. These projects are actually some GitHub repositories, and we can also view statistics such as the task completion leaderboard and the total number of open tasks. So next, let's take a closer look at what projects and tasks are on Youbet platform. On our project page, you can see a list of projects which are a collection of open source repositories. And yeah, let me show you the test tutorial scroll 1 as an example. And if you click into the details page, you'll find a task list corresponding to each repository. And you can probably guess that these tasks are actually issues. You can see them on the issue list, since all the tasks has been already closed. So yeah, you can see only 2 issues on this on our project detail page. And these are all things that already exist on GitHub. So people do not really need to change their workflow on GitHub. The only thing that needs to be done is for the owner to import GitHub repository into the platform. Once this step is completed, our platform will automatically track user activities on GitHub. Let me give you an example. Let's jump into our GitHub repo, and suppose we want to create a new issue, and maybe we'll call it test issue 3, and we can add some description here. And as you can see, we're currently doing some stuff on GitHub, right? But if you jump back to our platform, the magic has already happened. All the data has been synced here. And in our platform, you can claim this issue, which what's really happening is that if you check on GitHub, you will see SNEs has already been changed to you. And what we mean that you don't need to change your workflow on GitHub is as an owner, you only need to do the original work you need to do on GitHub. Like you can review some people's PR, and maybe this PR will close this issue, or maybe you can close it manually like this. And after you've done that, the magic is if you check out the contributor's profile, there will be some points has been changed, which is basically the contribution record, and it's on chain. Let me show you. You can see on EDU's browser there is some new transaction, which is actually a contract call to record the contribution, GitHub contribution. Let me do it again. You can see it more clearly. Current points is 110, right? And if you create a new issue, maybe it's a test issue 4 and test issue test, okay? And you can assign yourself here. Last time we assigned it by claim on our platform. You can also do it on GitHub, right? And if you close this issue, and our platform will get noticed from GitHub service, and yeah, and you can see the points has already been changed, right? So and the last feature I want to demonstrate is the tutorial, which showcases our platform's collaboration and reward distribution capabilities. These tutorials are some open source books, which are special type of open source projects. On our platform, we retrieve the GitHub markdown of these open source books and display it in a user-friendly manner. So if a user is satisfied during this learning process, they can show appreciation through wallet tips. And these tips earnings will distribute it to each contributor's wallet based on their contribution via our smart contract. And since the books you see has two contributors, and I have finished 3 tasks, and the other guy has only finished 1 task. So actually, how much we sent to donation is 0.01, and since I finished the third of fourth, 75% of the contribution, so I will get 0.0075, and I can claim it. Yeah. And after I claim it, the EDU in my account has been increased, as you can see. So that's all of our platform currently state, and thank you for watching it.